In this video, I am going to solve two math expressions step by step which went viral in the recent past. Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel for the newest videos watching. Let's check the expressions now. What is the correct answer to these expressions? The expression number 1 is 60 divided by 2 into 10 plus 5 and the other one is 60 divided by 5 into 7 minus 5. Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution, and let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Now I am going to solve these expressions step by step. Let's consider the first expression. First and foremost, there should not be any confusion in using the technique to solve these expressions. These expressions can be solved using the order of operations. The expression can be simplified by the order of operations, which are popularly called by the acronym PEMDAS or BODMAS. According to the rule, in an expression, first evaluate parentheses or brackets, then evaluate exponents or orders, then evaluate multiplication, division, and finally evaluate addition, subtraction. Let's solve this equation using BODMAS rule. Without doubt, everyone is in agreement about the first step. Simplify the addition inside the parentheses in this expression, because according to the rule, parentheses get the first preference. So after evaluation, expression becomes 60 divided by 2 into 15. This is where the debate starts. If you type 60 divided by 2 into 15 into a calculator, the input must be passed first and then computed. So most calculators will convert the parentheses into an implied multiplication. So we get 60 divided by 2 into 15 like this. According to the order of operations, we know division and multiplication have the same precedence. So the correct order is to evaluate from left to right. First take 60 and divide it by 2 and then multiply by 15. So the expression becomes 60 divided by 2 into 15. After solving, expression becomes 30 into 15, which is equal to 450. So this gets to the correct answer of 450. This is without argument the correct answer of how to evaluate this expression according to current usage. Some people have a different interpretation, but this is the way we must evaluate the expression today. So there is one more similar expression which went viral, that is 60 divided by 5 into 7 minus 5. This has to be solved exactly how I solved the other problem. Let's solve it for more clarity. So everyone is in agreement now about the first step. Simplify the addition inside the parentheses. So the expression becomes 60 divided by 5 into 2. After solving this expression, after applying BODMAS rule, expression becomes 60 divided by 5 into 2. As we already know, according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have the same precedence. So the correct order is to evaluate from left to right. First take 60 and divide it by 5 and then multiply by 2. So after solving, the expression becomes 12 into 2, which is equal to 24. This gets to the correct answer of 24. So the correct answer to this puzzle is 24. Remember these steps to solve any kind of expression like this. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and always thanks for your support.